Bonafide Hustler here, and another general thrift vlog. I can't wait to see what we get into on this one. Let's just go. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler comes to you live from the inside of my goddamn gym slash where some of the inventory is for the reselling stuff. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Bonafide Hustler, and also get the free money making guide. It's right here. It's the first link down below. It'll teach you how to make some awesome money reselling certain things. Also, there's gonna be a new guide coming out in like 3 to 4 days, all right? Go support the Bonafide Hustler. There's gonna be an insane intro deal on this high ticket to items 2 guide. That's right, high ticket items to bucks 1 was my highest rated guide of all the guides that I produced. And now I'm making it 2, sweet. So the vlog starts with these 2 kind of like, I don't even know, antique slash MCM lamps that my girlfriend just bought for $43 out the door, it seems like. And they're just really interesting. Now we're gonna do some more research and all that kind of stuff, but in the booth, I'm pretty sure these are gonna sell for about $100 or more pretty easily. I'm actually at the antique booth, and I'm going to be putting these 2 lamps into the booth today. I'm also gonna mark down prices because I wanna open up more space for cooler finds. So I'm gonna mark down some of my stuff, like 20% more, things like that. But yeah, these things right here, we tested them out yesterday, and the bottom part lights up, and when we put a bulb here, it lights up too. So you can have 2 little switch settings. You can just have the bottom light up, or the top, or both. I think it's something like that. Mid-century modern for sure. Made by a company called F&F or EF&EF, something like that. Pretty cool, somewhat desirable. Probably should sell between $1 to $120 a piece. Okay, so I'm trying to get this vlog out, and I noticed in the antique booth footage, there's a black globe that actually sold. I never talked about it on this vlog. That's pretty cool. But the black globe was from Anthropology. It was actually a pretty big black globe, and I found it at a Goodwill, and it sold super fast, like within 4 days. But anyways, look out for really large, Anthropology black globes. These are basically accent pieces. They mean nothing. The outline of the countries and everything was of chalk. It was just really kind of a stupid piece, honestly, but I don't care. Like, I'm gonna buy it and I'm gonna put it somewhere, and then someone's gonna be like, I want that stupid globe in my house, and I'll make the money on it. But yeah, anyway, so I just thought I'd talk to you guys about that because I saw it in the footage, and yeah, go pick up stupid black globe thing. So I'm actually at a Goodwill real quick, and I'm just spending a little bit of time with this guy.
What's up?
Yeah, you might know who that is.
Long time no thrift.
Long time no thrift. Long time no green room. Anyway, so yeah, we're just chilling here and looking at some things, spending about an hour. I got some things to do. I got some bikes to buy, actually. And he just hit me up. He happened to be in town real quick. So maybe we'll do an Austin thrift meetup. He just found something too. Found a pair of Howler Brother pants here.
New with tags, but not new without stains. Where'd the stain go? There's a stain somewhere.
There's a stain somewhere. We saw it.
Oh yeah.
Right there. But he'll take it out.
Come out. Yeah, it'll come out.
He'll take it out. Cool. Well, that's the College Picker. You can find him on YouTube and on Instagram. I think only a reseller would understand my frustration because I just sold something on eBay, right? And I made some money. That's cool. So yeah, I used the item I found at a garage sale, put it on eBay, sold. And usually what I do is I box it up, right? I put it on my box walls. That way when it's sold, it ships, right? And today, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna ship it out. It's sold. And then I realize I haven't boxed it up. And it's something that's of these dimensions. Do you understand the pain? Because you know how hard it is to find a box that's kind of like this? Dude, board games and stuff like that are the worst. They're so, And this is not even like a standard board game box. This one's like a square. What? You will not believe what I just got from this garage sale. That's right, we're at garage sales, just a couple of them, nothing crazy. It's in this bag right here. And by the way, that bag is a chrome bag, but inside that bag, there's something really special. I'll show you when I get home. Yeah, I only ended up going to 2 garage sales, but I'm in my garage and I'm gonna show you what is in the chrome bag. So as I went up to this garage sale, there were 2 bags. One is the chrome bag and the other one is something else. Now, I asked the lady, there were 2 people at the garage sale. I asked the lady because the guy was preoccupied, like how much for the bags? And she's like, let me ask the guy. And then couple seconds went by. She's like, he's too busy. $5 a piece. So I bought them, and the second bag I put into the chrome bag pretty much immediately, and then I went to my car real quick. But yeah, let's take a look. And let's just appreciate this patch right here. So good. All right, so in the chrome bag, look at this. This was right above the chrome bag in the garage sale, $5. Look at that. That is nice. And it's in great condition. It's a small kind of like laptop messenger with the straps and everything. I mean, talk about a home run. So yeah, this will probably end up reselling for right around $150, I would think. I gotta check my prices and stuff, but yeah, a CC Filson bag, something you don't see every day for $5 at a garage sale. Did I win or what? Okay, so this vlog's a little bit more on the shorter side. I'm still finishing up a couple little pieces of high ticket items to bucks too. I also have some really cool videos that are gonna come down. One has to deal with a scooter. And the other one has to do with some bags. I want to make a little tutorial out there, kind of like this one I did with cowboy boots recently, so I can train you guys up to look for bags. Still to this day, the bag section is such an unsuspecting section. It often goes under the radar, especially at thrift stores. You know, people just totally underprice high quality bags. And so I want to make sure I do a proper YouTube video about that, especially now that I have the CC Filson one, before I bag it up and box it up and all that kind of stuff. So I thought it would be a really good idea. I hope you enjoy these videos, and don't forget to support me on high ticket items to bucks too. It's coming real soon. It could even be tomorrow. It could even be tomorrow. I really appreciate you guys hanging around, and I hope garage sales are good this weekend. I can't wait. Yes, I'm back. I'm making content, and all because of you guys hitting the like button, leaving comments. I love it, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.